LEP Brain LLC. We're looking at unboxing a Corsair Obsidian 750D full case tower. It was shipped by UPS in the box as you see it here, and looks like it's in pretty good shape here. Lots of good detail on the box. You can see that it's all in great. Okay, we get the box off, put it upside down, and lifted it off. All the foam looks really nicely intact, so we're going to pull all the plastic and foam off and be back in a second. We've got the cover off and all the plastic off, and it comes with a manual, and it all looks like it's good shape. Looks like the little screen here is out of alignment. Sides look good. It's heavy, but not as heavy as I thought it would be. I have the side panels taken off, and the side panels use these little screws here with nice large knurled heads, but they come all the way off, so they're not captured by the back panel. So it seems like that would be easy to lose. It'd be nice if they stay captured with the side panels. Now the side panels look pretty nice. This is the back panel. And this is what I'll call the front panel, which is really the left side. And it has a nice clear window. It's got sticky tape all over it, so it looks like it's all in really nice shape. I guess my one reservation about this is that, I don't know if this plastic is like conductive or anything. I'm concerned that I have really low poor signal strength here for my cell phone, so will this radiate extra noise and make my cell service or other wireless services less sensitive. So we'll have to investigate that. The front panel, I still have the little plastic protective coating on here. It should be real shiny, but I've taken it off the top part here and just push these two places here, and this just kind of tips off, which is really a nice feature. And then you can see the filter here, and there's just this little pull thing that comes out and exposes the cooling fans. This fan here, the top one, is kind of directed toward the graphics card, the first graphics card, and this bottom fan kind of gets all the hard disks and all the hard disk cages. This is would be the back side of the PC board, and you can see has a nice big opening to get to the processor area for the heat sinks. It has all your cables for the all the front panel, and then here you have the spot for the see if we can get one to come out. You have a spot to put in 4 2.5 inch drives, probably solid state drives in this case. It has a lot of slots for your motherboard, opening for the power supply, opening for some water cooling. It has another fan here, some more vents, and of course you have the screen on the top for dust, and then you can also mount a water cooler or some large number of fans on the top. Okay. On the bottom, you have the feet that it stands on. You have a removable filter here, and then you have a spot here for 2 more fans. So it has like really ample area for putting fans. If you want to cool your card cages. You have the filter for the power supply. So then it comes with So you can see that it has really nice little flexible holders for hard disks that are, it's tool free. Just snap them in, as you saw demonstrated with this cardboard box. Has holes in it. Pop your hard disk in, and then you pop it right into the tray like that, and you're all set. And then we'll just check and see what's in here. And then we have some cables. Oh, it looks like temperature sensors maybe, and some screws and various hardware to mount the motherboard. Okay, so I just want to point out that if you want a solid cover on all sides, I took the right side or back panel and put it on the front, and they're symmetrical, so you could buy another side panel and then have a fully enclosed enclosure if there's EMI issues that you're concerned about. We removed the front panel covers so that you could put in your 5 1/4 inch drives. Really nicely done, easy. It took a little bit of looking inside, but you just squeeze these little things and it just pops right out. So it's pretty easy to put in, take out, that kind of thing.